Hi friends, welcome to Tech AI. Today, I will show you how can you make this YouTube banner in Adobe Photoshop. Open Adobe Photoshop. Click Create New. Width, 2560. Height, 1440. Pixels, and resolution must be 300 pixels. Click File and open this file, given in the description. Drag this abstract image on the created frame. Click Rectangle tool and then click on the screen. Width, 2560 pixels. Height, 423 pixels. Use Move tool and align it to the center, just like this. Again, click on Rectangle tool and make another rectangle. Width, 1546. Height, 423. Use Move tool to align it. Now select both of these rectangles. Click on View, then click New Guideline from Shape. Now delete these rectangles. Click Rectangle Marquee tool and select the area. Now click on Layer 1 and then right-click to selected area and click Cut. Select Layer 1, then click on Filter in the formula bar. Click Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Make its value 7 and click OK. Now click View and then click Clear Guides. Now double-click on the layer we have just cut. Then give it an outer glow with these properties. 41%. Screen. Softer here. 171 pixels. Use Rectangle tool. Width, 1500 pixels. Height, 400 pixels. Then align it to the center. Give it a cyan color. Give border radius 50 pixels. Then double-click and give it an inner glow with these properties. Use Rectangle tool. Width, 500 pixels. Height, 350 pixels. Use Move tool and align it to the left side. Give 50 pixels radius to the right upper and bottom corner. Change its color to cyan. Right-click to the rectangle and make a duplicate of this with the name Right1. Move this rectangle to right side. Press Ctrl+T and then right-click and select Flip Horizontal. Now give inner glow to both of these rectangles. Now click on Ellipse tool. Width and height, both 300 pixels. Align it to the center. Make its color black. Now give an inner glow to the circle. These are the properties. Now drag the logo on the circle. Make it small and create clipping mask. Again, use Ellipse tool. Width and height both are 50. Make the fill to none and give a 5-pixel stroke and then give a color. Align it to the top of circle. Make its copy with the name Lower Circle. Then align it to the lower side. Click Text tool and put a text. Give some changes. Now make a copy of the text and drag to right side. Make some changes. Use Rectangle tool and make a rectangle like this. Give corner radius and make its color black. Give it an inner glow. Give a subscribe text to this rectangle and align it. Now open and drag the given bell icon. Then align it like this. Then give a shadow effect and stroke also. This is the created banner. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.